amandla wona asinawo kodwa uyasipha yena. It's a strength that sustains us. Ngithi angiphakama kuvume mangithule. Ngize emngcwabeni kababa. Before kukhona uthando nontando, I was Jomo's little girl, and I grew up like Kaya, you know, and Jomo taught me a lot. So I'm a hustler, guys. I've got a full-time job, but I'm a hustler as well. And Jomo had a lot of influence, influencing me. I'd see, 9 to 5 doesn't sustain you. Ngikhumbula ngisasemncane uJomo bekana indawo zotshwala. He used to have places where he would sell alcohol, and he said to me, "Ungaphuzi. When you come here, uzoyenza imali." You know, and I just want to say to the family, I stand here representing abakwankosi abakamtaung. Ujomo was amazing, and I know he impacted each and every single person sitting in this place. And I just want to remind us, Suguti, be who you are. Be who you are, because Jomo was who he is. He was different. Like somebody mentioned, Uguti, he used to ask a lot of questions. He used to ask you. He used to reason with you. So akuvumi mangithule. I just want to say to the family, this week was hard. When I heard, I was disorientated the whole week. And I just want to say Ujomo, because I know his spirit lives. Besides being physical beings, we're also spiritual beings. And wherever his spirit is, I just want to say thank you. Thank you, Jomo. You know, he used to carry me on his shoulders. And yeah, and he taught me how to make profit. And I just want to say thank you. We'll always remember you. Thank you.